We introduced a new EBRAX kit, which has been designed to detect skimming attacks at ATMs. This kit is modular, consists of a main control module that has a button through which the sensors can be calibrated. This module is connected to the communication module that allows sending or receiving alarms through an USB port. Next, we have the actuator module that when the alarm goes off or an attack is detected, it generates an electromagnetic field in the ATM's bezel through the transducer and also operates on the video power that interrupts the power supply of the card reader or the ATM screen. The last module that we introduce is an alarm module. In case we don't use or we will not transmit the alarms through the USB port, we can do it using this module that contains two alarms, one for the optical sensor that goes inside the card reader and another one for the mass sensors. Alarm 1 and Alarm 2. This contact is normally closed, but it opens when the alarm goes off and can be connected to the ATM's alarm panel or any other. Then we finish the kit review with the optical sensor that goes inside the card slot of the ATM and detects deep insertion attacks and mass sensors that are usually one or two, one for the bezel and another one to be used on preventing from false keyboards over the original one. We have about 8 to 10 antenna adaptable models to all the bezels of the market in different ATM models. And in case it is necessary to put, we also have a second mass sensor, other antennas prepared to be placed under the original keyboard to detect fraudulent keyboards. The geometry of the optical sensor is adaptable to practically all models of card slots and allows identifying the presence of deep insert skimmer threads or shimmers.